4-1, say. Oh, look, a lovely ball to pick up Mata, who got him behind, goes down. What's the referee going to give? Penalty. That's what he's going to give. So here's Manchester United's chance.
What a ball from Michael Carrick. It's a great first touch from Juan Mata. There's Kier, he slipped, he pulls Mata down. It's a definite penalty.
He caught his heel as well just before that.
Just watch there.
Yeah.
Caught his heel, he slips, puts his right arm on his shoulder, drags him over. It's a definite penalty. And that's the referee's view. Got a good view of it.
Which he does, despite the strange run-up. The finish emphatic.
Yeah, great penalty from Pogba. Almost reminiscent of that Zaza penalty, the way he ran up in the Euros when he blasted over the bar. But this time, Pogba puts the keeper the wrong way. Taking his time, makes his mind up. Great penalty.
I was going to say the run-up was like Zaza, but certainly not the finish. Superbly taken. And that's what Manchester United needed in the Premier League, that volley, title clinching night against Villa. And they're in again here with Martial. Was he pushed in the back? He certainly looked like it by Shenia. That's another penalty. They can't argue with that at all. That looked a definite spot kick.